Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to upcycle a sign into another sign. So I don't, is that still upcycling if you turn it into the same thing? Anyway, I'm changing it up a bit. So what I've done is I'm taking a cheap sign I got from Poundland. It actually was in a 25p sale. And you can use one that you've just already got around the house that you're bored with or has maybe been damaged. And I'm going to paint over this. You can peel off the, if you've got one of these ones, you can peel off the whatever that is on top of it, but it would take forever and I'm lazy. So I'm just spray painting this. You want a few thin coats, and I actually run out of paint because it was weren't a full can. I thought I was going to have enough, but I didn't. So I just used normal acrylic paint, and it actually worked a lot better anyway. So I should have done that from the start. Once I've covered that, I am literally just going to leave it to dry somewhere. And then I'm going to grab a spatula and a spoon, both wooden, and I'm going to paint these as well. So this I'm just using spray paint again. It comes out kind of grey on the camera, but it's actually like a silver, it's very metallic-y, it's all shiny. And this again, being lazy again, and I don't want to waste paint, I'm only painting the edges you're going to see, so that'll be the front and the sides. There'll be a bit more paint on the spoon because obviously it's curved, so you can see underneath it when it's hung up, so you want to get the underneath as well. Again, you just want to put a few thin layers on. Both this covered quite well just with the one layer. When they're dry, I'm then going to place them on top of the sign. Just going to work out where I want to put them. Not going to stick them down quite yet, because I want quite a bit of space in the middle. Just working out where I'm putting everything. And the wording in the picture, I just drew that on normal paper. And what I'm going to do is going to take that, flip them over. I'm going to take a pencil and I'm just going to trace what was written on it. Once that's all done, then I'm going to place it where I want it. Then I'm going to take a pen, then just go over the lettering again, and this will basically just transfer what I just done on the back onto the sign. It won't come out like really dark, but I just want it as a like a template. So I'm going to do both that with the wording and the wolf. There you go. As you can see, it's not great, but this is where the Sharpie comes in handy. And I'm just going to go over it all carefully with a Sharpie pen. So I just wanted that to be a template basically, so I could now go over it, clean it up, make it stand out a bit more. So I'm going to go over the lettering, then the wolf, and then the last thing to do is just glue on the spoon and the spatula. I just done this with a hot glue gun. So that's it. You just work out where you want to put them and stick them down. But with the spoon, it did take me a few times. You have to literally put it on there very quickly and push it down and hold it in place. And that's it, you're done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know if you make one, or if you make one into a different design. Thanks for watching. Bye!